not horrible. The eyebrows are a little thick, but I don't think it's horrible.
I'm sorry. In the car, there's. Hey guys, welcome to another video with me, your girl, Latoya. Now guys, today different. I'm super excited. So today my dearest friend and I, Tiffy, will be following our other friend Vanessa to the beach to walk her dog Bailey. No, I decided since Vanessa so commenty, as in she give good comments and bad comments and she tell it like it is. So today I'm gonna test her out, right? I'm going to do my makeup horribly today to get her reaction. So last night Tiffany and I told them that I have a photo shoot this morning with my husband and that I'm supposed to meet up with a makeup artist at 7 a.m. No guys, I'm not doing a shooting, I'm not makeup with a makeup artist. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. Now let's get started. So I normally draw my eyebrow with a brown pencil. So today I want to look horrible, so I'm gonna draw it with a black pencil. So let's get into this drawing of the brows. So guys, I'm just gonna trace this. And to be honest guys, Vanessa not a fool, right? A proper girl, proper bright girl, and you can't trick her. So as much as I want this look horrible, we can't make it too drastic because you know say if it look away, I'm not gonna stick with it. So yo, this needs for block somewhere. So I don't want to really go out of the way to make it look extra bad. And guys, I proper tie up my head in the kind of so when you put on makeup, right? With your hair tie, the mark going to leave back here. So all of that, let's see if I can blend it in good. Now I'm obviously look at old brow pencil. I'm just gonna blend this in. Don't worry about this, man. So now guys, I'm going to go in with my Fawn concealer by LA Girl. I'm just going to, make this neat. Take this other brush and I just blend out this, this. Now I'm gonna go in with my masquerade and I'm going to get my shadows done. I'm going with that one here. Still can't make it look too drastic, like no, we really want it to look bad. Because you have to be honest with yourself. As much as I can do makeup good, I really not left nowhere and I look like I can't. So let's get it. Watch that cut crease, you know. Vanessa ain't no fool. Vanessa ain't no fool. I'm going with Makita. It's purple. So I first use Giza. Now I'm going with Makita. Yeah. I look good. I smell good. My makeup on fleek. Me a goodness. Now I go blend. I go blend with Dahlia. This one. This look like one style one I can't see it though. That me I tell you now. So now guys, now but I have these lash. I remember where me get them from, but them kind of have a plasticky look. and then big and bold. So I'm gonna put on these lash. So guys, I want to put on the lash, but I not have no lash glue. Them kind of feel sticky. Let me see if we can just stick them from my eye. So now guys, my real foundation done. Normally I use 355 in the Super Stay foundation. For some reason I can't find 355 no matter where I go. So I had this 362, which is really a darker shade, totally darker shade from what I normally wear. So I'm gonna put it on. I can't bother with no use no this that for black out things. So I just up on that shade. I open the blow off when I go outside. So guys, watch out. I always say black. I always say black. Come through. Boy guys, I want this to look awful and it now look awful. But they just listen. When you just naturally can't do your face with a natural glow. Alright, I have to make this with the highlight of the day. I'm going with my Sasha Buttercup now. I will go and bake. So I think if I make this there because for some reason it not look too bad as how I want it to look. So I'm going to make this there. And really and truly, I have a husband and if my face look horrible, he might go tell me. So let's be real. That's why I'm telling you I can't make it look too much like I put too much effort in it. So I'm going to contour. Guys, wanna help me now? It now look as bad as one the heaven. Maybe I have to do something with the brows. Now guys, I'm hardly wear this lip gloss. I think I should give the lipstick here too, you know. Way! Yes guys, I'll take my contour now and turn up more. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'm say, you know, the thing have to look horrible but not too horrible because she's smart. She has to tell you, you really gonna take photo like that? So I'm gonna say, but I think it was okay. It didn't look so in the dark. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna take off my headband so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, you know. So yeah. Cause really and truly, if you ever come out, if you ever come out, look good. So as I say, when you put on makeup, you see that little mark here? I'm not trouble it. Or maybe I should like go in with a Sasha Buttercup over there so. Oh guys, yes. Need to make one more. Oh, like my highlight them because something else I've already. Guys, what else we can do? This look not so good but so good. Don't see it. Tell the truth. Maybe if we didn't make my eyebrow fatter. So guys, this is me in the light. So I'm on my way. Let me turn on this. So I'm on my way now. Vanessa is at Tiffy's house. So I'm gonna go by Tiffy to park my car and then go in the car with both Tiffany and Vanessa. So guys, coming out into the light, I realized that the makeup is Whew, it's horrible. I gotta make sure I walk with my wipes because me now walk up and down all day with them with my face look like this. So after I get a reaction, then I would wipe it off. As again, guys, this is not my natural way of putting on makeup. I'm trying to see if my friend Vanessa will be honest with me. Tiffany is already in on the prank, so we're not going to get much reaction out of Tiffy, but I told her to be, you know, a little bit surprised as well because come on, naturally I'm your friend. I am look like this and need to tell me. So guys, I'm nervous. I hope this come out good because I'm not really good at the pranks and Vanessa is a very hard cookie to crack. So let's see how it goes. Guys, so see them there. I'm going down the road for turn, but I shall leave star. Alright, just hold on, no lash. Hold on for like a couple more seconds because it's about to go down. So guys, I have on my mask. I get Tiffany time to get herself together. Alright guys. This is what I'm going to back up here. Once she shall look, I check her car if I lick her car. Vanessa don't rate me, you know. Vanessa don't rate me. And because I know that I'm going to see if she's going to say anything about my makeup today. So guys, I'm here with Bailey. Say Bailey, hi Bailey. And I'm here with my crew. This is Tiffy.
Hi, you remember this? Well, you taught him.
And this is Vanny Patty. You're not sure Vanny
No.
Patty. Bailey, what's up? You look so nice when you don't have a lot of fur.
No. I prefer him with the fur.
Me too.
I much rather prefer him with the fur.
No, he looks slim and trim.
Anyway,
Do you
guys,
eat brownies?
if I eat brownies,
Make.
me,
Yeah.
I make better things than brownie. I make stops to KFC, stops to Burger King, stops to Wendy's.
Oh, turn right. L.I.M.E with Latoya.
Who is the makeup? Who is the makeup person?
What? You don't like it?
Sorry.
That's who look at it. She bad now.
I'm sorry. In the car, he does.
Why? Don't laugh at her. You're gonna make her upset. That's why you're holding the mask.
Somebody at work.
At your work?
No, I used to work at my work too.
Not the same person who did the makeup. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Don't get it. I'm not calling up.
Alright, let me do it.
You're just getting bush.
Alright, come to the video. I'm sorry. Sorry. Let me stay to the makeup.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know. It does not. Sorry. I'm sorry. Hold you.
That was nice. Okay, I'm sorry. I feel bad.
You should.
I'm sorry. That was mean. So guys, we're at, I don't know where this is. Elsha.
It's never expected, okay? Lord, take a picture and come and talk about what this is.
I just said, you know, I'm sorry. Wait, let me. You so like a bit a whole mother right now. Apologize sincerely. That's why I'm sorry. But you really look horrible for true?
No. It's not horrible. The eyebrows are a little thick, but I don't think it's horrible.
I don't know. Right. You're so no look right to me.
Oh, I never even looked at that.
Like a contour game.
You behaved.
You didn't look at the picture. I'm sorry.
No, the clash was saying it looked nice. Yes, it's nice. That's right.
Walk up, my girl, walk up, my girl, walk up. Won't Jamaica nice like rice? I hope so. I feel like
No, you look fine. The video not why pick up the look.
So what is it?
let me tell you what I don't like. I'm not good for this. Look,
What is it that you don't like?
you see ear song? Like,
Even that.
Vanessa, come look.
No, I see what you're talking about, but the video not why pick up the
An ear song, like too much. That's why I don't use it, you know. You like licks because you know what? This is your signature right here. Black liners.
Yeah, but I would have blended it a little, but it's not bad. It's not like that.
I'm sorry.
But you're horrible.
No, me not horrible. I'm
No,
sorry.
video now, but see that. Standing right here, you're seeing it standing here?
Well, this is a bad angle.
We'll try to from the front. You're seeing it?
Where's the sun? You have to come over here. Or no, we're not really seeing.
I kind of feel funny, you know, and it's Robert to go something.
Exactly, Robert.
People when come, Sean, I say, and Sean, no one been too bad in a boat. Why them something here? Yeah, I like them. The beauty spot.
Listen, for me, because I guess because I know how you always do your makeup
That's
for me,
so it's different. But
it's just like,
that don't make it ugly.
me never use the word ugly though, me
That's
just
how you
smile.
feel.
Because we feel me want to cry when mommy sunshine love. I'm just saying, you know.
Your tears were that close?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's not you. No, it's not you are laughing at. You know it's not you. It's the makeup. It's the work.
But at least, you know, I have good friends because Vanessa tried to be as soft as possible. So guys, I'm tired now because Vanessa not to go to true color herself. Anyway, Vanessa, I did my makeup for her today.
See? So I was being a good friend.
Your reaction. Are you serious?
Yes.
And you are so diplomatic about it.
So kind.
You're trying not to hurt my feelings. And I'm like, Vanessa, show the true you so people can see who you are.
But I'm not like, you know that.
Vanessa is like, the brows are a bit too thick and I know the camera won't pick it up. I like the lips. I would have blend. Guys, me know the camera, so why should I say something about my makeup? I lash them heavy. Guys, see true she here. Tell them what you just said a while ago.
I said I wondered about the lashes.
What about the, like them too plasticky?
Yes, I want to drop off.
But I said leave one of them.
Oh, and that's why the main photo shoot that you go in the club.
Yes.
I was wondering what kind of photo shoot they finish at 7.
I was like, what is I watch YouTube? You have to come food.
Yeah, I'm not saying I can't make it too obvious. I'm gonna make it worse than how it looks. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to lash them fatter. I mean the brows them fatter, thicker and darker. They're horrible. So why you never tell me? I know you're talking about it.
She's trying to be a good friend.
She's a good friend, but listen, she don't let me go to the road. Some people are look for me like, no guys, no. Really, you're too excited. Watch him! Woo! Woo! The what? All of the like Billy said, this thing there too. What's it? What?
Billy would run the direction you want him.
Yes! I won, Billy!
Sit, Bailey, sit. Sit. Good boy. I'm not sitting there, so I'll stand up.
It's that raggedy dog, that shaggy dog.
Whose car is he going in?
Yours.
I want to lift him up back up there, so.
That's a real question.
That's the real question.
Billy must have seen so much water there, so where are going to water again?
Because that's salt water. Come.
So guys, I have to go. This wasn't so bad. I got the reaction that I wanted, even though she was being so nice. Guys,
nice.
Guys, thanks for tuning in with another video with me, your girl Latoya, Tiffy, and Vanessa. I see you next week for another video. But if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. Thumbs up this video, post your comments, and share. Bye guys. Face on.